Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Debugging tests in pycharm with pytest can significantly improve your productivity and help you identify issues in your code more effectively. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and use pycharm for debugging pytest tests, along with a code example. Step 1, install required packages. Before you start, ensure you have pytest installed in your Python environment. You can install it using pip bash pip install pytest. Step 2, set up your project in pycharm. 1. Open pycharm and create a new project or open an existing one. 2. Create your test files. By convention, test files should be named starting with test_ or ending with _test.py. Step 3, write a sample code and test. Let's create a simple function and a test for it. Create a file named calculator.py *. Python. #calculator.py. Def add a, b. Return a plus b. Def subtract a, b. Return a, b. Def multiply a, b. Return a * b. Def divide a, b. If b equals 0. Raise value error, cannot divide by 0. Return a/b. Create a test file named test_calculator.py *. Python. #test_calculator.py. Import pytest. From calculator import add, subtract, multiply, divide. Def test_add. Assert add, 2, 3, = 5. Assert add, -1, 1, = 0. Def test_subtract. Assert subtract, 5, 3, = 2. Assert subtract, 0, 1, = -1. Def test_multiply. Assert multiply, 2, 3, = 6. Assert multiply, -1, -1, = 1. Def test_divide. Assert divide, 6, 3, = 2. With pytest.raises, value error. Divide, 1, 0. Step 4, running tests in pycharm. To run your tests. 1. Right-click on the test_calculator.py file in the project view. 2. Select Run pytest for test_calculator. This will execute your tests and show the results in the Run tool window. Step 5, debugging tests. To debug your tests. 1. Set breakpoints. Open the test_calculator.py file and click in the gutter next to the line number where you want to set a breakpoint. This will create a red dot indicating a breakpoint. 2. Start debugging. Right-click on the test_calculator.py file again. Select Debug pytest for test_calculator. Step 6, using the debugger. Once you start debugging, pycharm will pause execution at the breakpoints you've set. Allow you to inspect variables, evaluate expressions, and step through the code. Debugger controls. Step over, F8, move to the next line of code without stepping into functions. Step into, F7, step into a function to debug its implementation. Step out, Shift plus F8, step out of the current function. Resume program, F9, continue running until the next breakpoint. Evaluate expression, Alt plus F8, check the current state of the variables or run expressions. Hashtag example of debugging. Let's say you want to debug the test_add function. You suspect the add function might not be working correctly. 1. Set a breakpoint at the line assert add. 2, 3, == 5. 2. Start debugging as instructed. 3. When execution stops at the breakpoint, hover over variables or use the evaluate expression to see if the input values and expected output are correct. 4. You can step into the add function to see its internal logic. Step 7, analyze results. After stepping through the code, you can identify if there are any bugs or issues in the logic. Modify your code based on your findings and rerun your tests to verify the fixes. Conclusion. Debugging pytest tests with pycharm is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your testing experience. By using breakpoints, inspecting variables, and stepping through your code, you can quickly identify and resolve issues, making your development process more efficient. Feel free to enhance your tests and add more scenarios as needed. Happy debugging!